ETC-PZL Aerospace Industries has 30 years of experience in development of advanced simulation solutions for police and military training. Multidisciplinary team of experienced and dedicated employees is a key to our success in the international market. ETC-PZL major products are aviation simulators, aircraft and helicopters, ejection seat simulators, emergency drive simulators, VIP convoy and police tactics simulators. Vehicle simulator consists of a motion platform, driver cabin, visualization system, and the instructor station. Our simulators can utilize any original or generic cabin. 3 or 6 degrees of freedom motion platform is used for motion cueing. The visualization can be displayed on monitors, VR goggles, or large projection systems with up to 270-degree horizontal field of view. Simulators can be used as standalone devices or combined into a bigger distributed system using Internet and HLA standard. This makes it possible for various emergency response services based in different physical locations to conduct common training in the same virtual environment. Such approach significantly reduces training cost and eliminates the need for travel during the epidemic.
I was responsible for the development of the 2 simulators for Bavarian police. Both of them will be located in police academies. First one in Dachau and the second one in Sulzbach-Rosenberg. The simulators are based on the original BMW 3 series car, which is used by the police in Bavaria. Cabin is attached to 3 degrees of freedom motion platform. Wide field of view visualization system employs large 4K resolution displays.
It is our tradition to provide reliable product support throughout the whole life cycle of the training device. We believe that using our experience, we can deliver even very complex simulation solutions to satisfy the needs of our customers.